Good morning. We're on the GBP USD 5-minute time frame here using ITM M.stat, another of the latest releases by ITM Financial. It is a very simple to use direction prediction indicator. Very simple, up, down, or no-go. You have long signals or short signals or no-go signals, which are essentially do not trade. Currently, we have a short side signal appearing. Now, the description of the signals we'll get to in a second here. Let's use a 30-minute expiry here for the GBP USD. Select low and enter $100 in for this trade and click buy for the investment. ITM M.stat is designed to be a multi-time frame indicator along with some proprietary algorithmic logic that enables selection of entries and therefore the display of the arrow for short side or long side. We'll come back to you shortly with the results when they happen. All right, back again here with roughly 26 seconds remaining to this pound US dollar trade here using ITM M.stat. As I mentioned earlier, it is a multi-time frame indicator, which doesn't translate to you using it on each and every time frame, but it essentially runs on the 5-minute time frame only and aggregates data across time frames. It then passes that data into a proprietary algorithm that processes the information and allows for a direction to be predicted, whether long, short, or no-go. In the case of a no-go, you are to stay out of the market, and you see a pair of spectacles appear on your screen in white, which essentially means further processing required. Please avoid trading. This trade that we took based on a short side signal produced by ITM M.stat has now expired in the money quite spectacularly, with a breakout move having been predicted in advance by ITM M.stat. For an $85 net profit on this trade using a $100 investment and an 85% payout. Once the platform is done calculating expiry, we'll just flip back and forth between the charts here to just show you a bit more of ITM M.stat. You also see some lines on your chart. Those are envelopes as well as two crossover moving averages, all MetaTrader 4 tools that are designed to assist you in filtering out more trades should you choose to trade only along with moving averages or inside the envelope if price has extended to outside the envelope at any given time. ITM M.stat, however, is already taking those decisions into consideration when producing a result for you, whether short, long, or no-go, and is designed to take data across all time frames all the way from 1 minute through to the daily time frame in order to predict for you an accurate enough direction for your chosen trade. With ITM M.stat, it is advisable to choose time frames that are reasonable, and a reasonable time frame is, say, 15 minutes and beyond. In this particular video, I chose a 30-minute expiry. However, 15-minute expiries can also be appropriate given the trade at that time. 1, 2, and 5 minutes are very aggressive time frames to use in a binary options context using ITM M.stat, but again, they can be used if you are an aggressive trader. You can use ITM M.stat to create entries for yourselves on those time frames as well. However, 15 minutes and above is advised as suggested expiries for anything you do trade in a time-sensitive context, such as binary options. Thank you very much. Hope you've enjoyed it. And ITM M.stat is now officially available. Please contact a support representative at ITM Financial. Call in or write in via chat or email. And somebody will get back to you with more details on how to download ITM M.stat, which is free of charge. Thank you.